Here at International Ceramics, we machine it green.
The way to save money in the ceramic industry is to machine it green.
What is machining green, you ask?
We believe in machining before sintering.
Green machining means that you're machining ceramic parts in the unfired state.
We're able to put the features, your important features, into these ceramic components before the components are sintered, before they become fully dense.
Some of the features you can install during green machining are sometimes only possible while green.
You can remove a lot more material in the green state. You can remove hundreds of thousands, where if you have to diamond grind it, you're removing half a thousandth.
So after it's fired and it comes out, we don't have to do any post-fire machining, which really is where the cost is in the component.
When we're green machining, we can turn parts, mill parts, surface grind parts very quickly and remove that material.
Traditional drills and mills that you see in everyday metals machining can only be used in the green state. When you're in the hard state, specialty diamond tools are required. The drill, once ceramic is fired, will just disintegrate when you press it against a ceramic part.
We have additional complexities added because there's different linear shrinkage to radial shrinkage, which makes it even more difficult, but we're able to do it.
When we're machining these pieces, they have to be about 17% bigger because they shrink in the kiln.
Here's a fantastic example of what I mean by machining it green. This is a green part that's been machined before sintering. We calculate out the shrinkage rate and we fire the component in our kiln.
Well, we think we're very good at making complex shapes, and we're also good at engineering out costs.
There are many companies that don't have this technique, this capability, or the knowledge to be able to green machine the way that we do and have components come out of the kiln complete.
That was another great video by one of our part gurus, America's greatest contract manufacturers. You could support us.
You hit the like button, give a comment, we'll make more of these because we're here to help American manufacturing get stronger. Help us out.
By smashing that like button, hitting subscribe, sharing the video, or leaving a comment. This allows us to travel the country and make more of these great videos of America's best contract manufacturers. Thanks for watching.